The function of education is to teach one to think critically and to think intensively. Intelligence plus character, that is the goal of true education. Education is a passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. Hello friends, I am Anvesha Satpathy. Welcome for a great learning experience. So now we will discuss IOS Class 5 11th International Olympiad of Science 1920 Test Paper Type BB. So we will start with Section A, Science. The first question: which one of the following bone structure protects our spinal cord? So as we all know that spinal cord is a part of nervous system. It protects so we need a skeletal system to protect it. So vertebral column is a part of skeletal system which protects the spinal cord. So option A is a rib cage which protects lungs, heart and a part of liver. Option C is skull which protects brain, and D is either femur or humerus. Next, second question: a muscle is joined to a bone by a strong, thick and tough fiber called tendon. So tendon is the right answer. Tendon joins muscle to bone. Hinge is a type of joint which is present in elbow and also in knee. Ligament join bone to bone, and bicep is a type of muscle which works together with tricep to move our bones. Next we'll move to the third question. The organ which plays an important role in excretion of liquid waste is, so the right answer is option C, which is the figure of kidney. So option A is a figure of stomach which helps in digestion, and B is a figure of heart which circulates blood throughout our body. So C is a kidney which filter our blood and it excretes out the waste in the form of urine. Now we'll move towards question number 4. Look at the following figure and identify the incorrect option. So as we can see, the figure shown is a picture of skull. So option A is saying that it's a skull which protects our brain. So it's a correct option. Option B says that it's a part of our skeletal system. It's also correct. So option C is telling us that it is made up of 40 bones interlocked together. So this is the false statement, as it is made up of 22 bones, 14 face bones and 8 cranial bones. So this C is the correct answer. Now we'll move towards question 5. Which one of the following is a rich source of iodine? So A is a rich source of vitamin D or fat, which is butter. B, cheese is a rich source of vitamin D or fat. C, lemon is a rich source of vitamin C. And D, seafood is a rich source of iodine. So D is the right answer. Question number 6. Which one of the following is the longest bone in human body? So fibula is present in the lower leg. Radius is present in the lower arm. Femur is present in the thigh, and humerus is present in the lower arm, in the upper arm. So option C is the right answer. So femur is the longest and strongest bone. Question number 7. Temperature of ice is, as we all know that the freezing point of ice is 0 degree, so it will be either 0 degree or less than 0 degree. So A is the right option. Now question number 8. In which of these processes does steam change into water? So as we all know, steam changes. Steam is a gas and water is a liquid. So gas to liquid process is known as condensation. Now what is melting? Melting is process of changing solid into liquid. Freezing is process of changing liquid to solid, and evaporation is a process of changing liquid water into steam or gas. So B is the right answer. Question number 9. Rate of evaporation dash with increase in humidity. So what is humidity? Humidity is a term referred to the amount of water vapor present in the atmosphere. So if there is more water vapor in the air, so more water vapor cannot be added to the air when water evaporates. So rate of evaporation decreases and it will take more time. So B is the right answer, which is decreases. Now question number 10. All the milk present in bottle A is transferred to tub B as shown in the figure. Which of the following will undergo a change because of the transfer of milk? So as we all know, milk is a liquid which cannot be changed in its mass, which cannot be also changed in its volume, but can be changed in its shape when it's transferred from one container to another. It will take the shape of that container. So C is the right answer. Question number 11. Which one of the following holds the layer of air around the earth? So it's gravity, which attracts everything towards it. It's a force. It's a non-contact force which attracts everything towards it. Electricity flows, and friction is a contact force. Ultraviolet rays comes from the sun. So D is the right answer. So question number 12. Which one of the following gases is known as the greenhouse gases? So nitrous oxide, methane and carbon dioxide are the greenhouse gases. So option D, all of these is the right answer. Now question number 13. Earthquake can be detected with an instrument called seismograph. B is the right answer. Now 14. The heaviest and the lowermost layer of the atmosphere is called troposphere. D is the right answer. 15. Under the right condition, seeds sown below started germinating. So right condition needed for a seed to germinate are water, warmth and air. Which one of the following parts would grow first? So P, which is the radicle, will grow first. L is the plumule and Q is the stem part. Now question number 16. The fruit given below is dispersed by animals. C is the right answer because as we can see in the picture, it has spine. So which will stick to the body of animal when they eat and throw it. So C, animals, is the right answer. Question number 17. Which of the following animals is an omnivore? Omnivore is a type of animal which eats both plants and other animals. So other animals or meat. So as we can see, A is an ant, B is a cockroach, C is a squirrel. So all of these are omnivore. So D, all of these, is the right answer. Now 18. The figures below show an owl and a bat. So owl, as we all know, is a bird and a bat is a mammal. In what way are the two animals similar? So they both have wings which enables them to fly. So D is the right answer. Question number 19. Which one of the following organisms is well adapted for survival in cold regions? So option A is polar bear, B is cactus plant and C is camel, D is penguin. So in polar regions, penguin and polar bear live. In deserts, cactus and camel live. So A and D is the right answer. So D is the right answer. 20. Which among the following is a dicot seed? So dicot seed means a seed which has two cotyledons. So A, gram, is the right answer because it has two cotyledons while the other three have one cotyledon. So A is the right answer. 21. The animal given below does not have. So every animal has heart, lungs and brain. So if this is a picture of dolphin. So as dolphin is a mammal, so it will have lungs. It cannot have gills, as gills is a feature, is a breathing organ of fish. So D, gills, is the right answer. Question number 22. Which of the following is not a body covering of any animal? So as we all know, feather is a body covering of bird. B, shell is a body covering of mollusks, snail, tortoise, etc. Scale is a body covering of reptiles and other animals, while C, spiracle is a breathing organ of insects and cockroaches. So C, spiracle is the right answer. Question number 23. In the given figure, what is F? So F is the fulcrum and the arrow marked sword is the effort and the rectangular box shown is the load. So option B, fulcrum, is the right answer. Energy possessed 24. Energy possessed by the brick due to its position is, so a brick is put on a wall, so its position is fixed, so it's having potential energy. And kinetic energy is the energy of a body due to its motion. Muscular energy is put on a body by using muscles. So C, potential energy, is the right answer. Question number 25. The SI unit of work is joule. D is the right answer. A, Newton is the SI unit of force. B, meter is the SI unit of length. C, second is the SI unit of time. Question number 26. Which one among the following is a simple machine? So C, which shows a crowbar, is a simple machine. So C is the right answer. Question number 27. The length of a shadow of an object. So option A can be longer than the object, option B can be smaller than the object, and option C can be equal to the length of the object. As we all know, it can be equal to the length of the object, and it can be longer when the sun is in east or west, but it is smaller when the sun is when it's noon. So D, all of these is the right answer. Question number 28. The branch of science that deals with the study of sound is, option D, acoustic, is the right answer. Option A, optics, is the study of light. Option B, ornithology, is the study of birds. And option C, biology, is the study of life and living organisms, including their physical and chemical structures. So D, acoustics, is the right answer. Question number 29. Which among the following is required in the formation of shadow? So we need a source of light, a screen on which shadow is formed, an opaque object. So all of these is needed. So option D, all of the above, is the right answer. Question number 30. Which among the following colors is not a constituent color of white light? So the simple method to remember the constituent of white light is VIVGYOR. V stands for violet, I stands for indigo, B stands for blue, G stands for green, Y stands for yellow, O stands for orange, and R stands for red. So option A, green, red, violet are three colors which are the constituent of white light. Black is not a constituent of white light, so option D, black, is the right answer. Now section B, reasoning and aptitude. Question number 31. Find the odd one out. So as we can see, option A, it has been skipped two letters in between, O, P, Q, and then R. In option B, G, H, I, and then J. So C, C, D, E, and then F. And option D, E, F, and G, D, G should be the answer. So it has been shown DJ. So this option D, D, J, K is the odd one out. Question number 32. Given below are the codes of some vehicles. Now, from the above information, decide the code for the given set of vehicles. So, for auto rickshaw, we will write A. For jeep, we will write J. For car, we will write M. And for scooter, we will write S. So, A, J, M, S. So, option C, A, J, M, S is the right answer. Question number 33. Which number will replace the question mark? So the pattern followed here is in the first option we can see if we add 11 plus 9 and then multiply the middle number, so the answer will be 40. Similarly, if we see the second one, 7 plus 11, 18 into 3 is equal to 54. Just like that, we will add 6 plus 13 and then multiply it by 5 to get 95. So A, 5 is the right answer. So question number 35. Sweta is standing in a row. If she is 14th from the left end and 8th from the right end, then how many people are standing in a row? So the process to find this is to add the numbers from the left end and from the right end position of that particular person and then subtract 1 from it. So 14 plus 8 is equal to 22, 22 minus 1 is equal to 21. So C, 21 is the right answer. So question number 35. Kanika goes to school from home along the path indicated below. How many times will she turn right? So as we can see, if she goes from her school to her home, she will turn 8 times to her right. So A, 8 is the right answer. Question number 36. Find the incorrect match. So incorrect match, it has been shown according to the breathing organ of organisms. So man breathing organ is lung, earthworm breathing organ is skin, fish breathing organ is gill, but ant breathing organ is not mouth, and breathing organ is thoracle. So D is the incorrect match. So option D, ant mouth, is the incorrect match. Question number 37. So in question number 37, it is telling us to find the missing number. So what we have to do here, we have to see the first one. In the first one, the rule followed is we will cross multiply this, like 15 into 6, 90 minus 5 into 2, which is 10. So 90 minus 10 is equal to middle number. So similarly in figure 2, the same rule has been followed. In figure 3, the same rule will be followed, like 13 into 8, which is 104, and 16 into 2, which is 32. If we minus it, it will be 72. So C, 72 is the right answer. So question number 38. If square into square, if no sign is between the square, then it is multiplied. So square into square is equal to 81. So the value of 1 square is 81 root over. So that is 9. Square of value of 1 square is 9. If we find the value of 1 square, then 64. Here we can see 3 triangle. Triangle into triangle into triangle is equal to 64. So the value of one triangle is 4, because 4 into 4 into 4 is equal to 64. So it is asking us then find the value of square into triangle. So 9 into 4 is equal to 36, which is option D, 36 is the right answer. Question number 39. If name is coded as ANEM and kite is coded as IKET, then what will be the code for star? So as we can see, if we see the pattern in name, it is showing us that the first letter and the second letter are reversed, and similarly the third, fourth letter are reversed and the word is written. So similarly in kite it's also followed. So in star we will interchange the value of place number 1 and place number 2. So it's T, S and AR. If we interchange, it's RA. So option B, T, S, R, A is the right answer. Question number 40. How many triangles are there in the given figure? So as we can see, there are 7 triangles in the given figure. So option A, 7 is the right answer. Now we will move towards section C, scholars zone. Question number 41. Match the following. So hinge joint it's asking us to find which joint is present in which part of our body. So hinge joint is present in elbow, which is A4. B, ball and socket joint is present in our shoulder, which is 3, B3. And C, gliding joint is present in our wrist, which is 2, so C2. And pivot joint is present in our neck, which is D1, so D1. A4, B3, C2, D1. D is the right answer. Question number 42. Fill in the blanks with the correct combination of words. So, if we put the words in option C, like A will be lunar eclipse occurs when Earth comes between Sun and Moon. So, option C, lunar, Earth, Sun, Moon is the right answer. A lunar eclipse can occur only on a full moon day. Question number 43. Which of the following statement is correct? So, P is telling us crab is an insect. No, crab is an arthropod, which means arthropod means the animals which have jointed legs. So, A is a wrong option. Q, alligator is a mammal. No, alligator is a reptile. So, this is also wrong. R, bat is an amphibian. This is also wrong, as bat is a mammal. And R, horse is a mammal. This is the right option. So it's asking us to find the correct. So only S, B is the right answer. Question number 44. What should not be done in case of a fracture? Number 1. Keep the patient calm and comfortable and send for the doctor. This should be done. If the patient is in panic, the pain will be more. So number 2. Apply a splint to give support to the broken bone and try to avoid unnecessary movement. So it is also correct. Number 3. Press the broken part of the bone firmly and move it slowly. So if this will be done, there will be more swelling and there will be more pain for the patient. So 3 is the incorrect one. So it should not be done. Number 4. Keep the broken part under cold running water for at least 30 minutes. This should not be done in case of a fracture. So 3 and 4, C. This should not be done in case of a fracture. So C is the right answer. Question number 45. The animals given below are similar in some way. Name the feature common in all these animals. So A is a snail, B is a crab, and C is a shrimp. So all these have exoskeletons. So their exoskeleton consists a common part which is known as cell. So B, shells, is the right answer. Question number 46. Which one of the following option is correct for the given statements? Statement 1. Sweet potato is an underground bulb-shaped stem. No, potato is a stem but sweet potato is a root. So this is incorrect. Statement 2. Mosses and ferns produce flowers. No, mosses and ferns are non-flowering plants, which means they do not produce any flowers. Statement 3. Hibiscus plants can be reproduced by stem cutting. So this is true. So only statement 3 is true, in which D is the right answer. Question number 47. Which of the following statements is or are incorrect? So heat is a form of energy. So first let us know what is energy. Energy is a capacity of doing work. So heat is a form of energy is correct. A moving car possesses kinetic energy, means it's in motion. So B is also correct. A stretched rubber band possesses potential energy as it's not moving. So it's having potential energy. So 3 is also correct. So a dry cell possesses electrical energy. It's false. A dry cell possesses chemical energy which later on converts into electrical energy. So 4 is the incorrect one. D is the right answer. Question number 48. Who among the following are correct? So L is telling that the brain is a control center of human body. So he is telling right. M. An adult human brain weighs about 9 kg. It's false. An adult human brain weighs about 3 pounds or 1.3 or varies from 1.3 kg to 1.4 kg. So M is incorrect. N is telling that a human brain is made up of 3 different parts. It's true, as it's made up of cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla oblongata. So N is also telling correct. The space between the brain and the skull is filled with oxygen. No, it isn't correct. The space between the brain and the skull is filled with cerebrospinal fluid. This space acts as a cushion and protects it from damage. So O is telling incorrect. So option C, L and N are telling correct. So option C is the right answer. Question number 49. Which of the following is true about birds? Statement number 1. Birds' bones are hollow. Yes, it's right. Their bones are hollowed and filled with air spaces, which helps them to fly in air easily. So this is correct. Statement 2. The wings of birds are attached to the breastbone with the help of strong muscles. So 2 is also correct. Number 3. Wings of a bird have 3 different feathers. So they have different feathers, like they have a wing feather which helps them in flight, tail feather which helps them to maintain balance and help them to find direction, and contour feather provides an insulation for their body. So 3 is also correct. So option D, 1, 2, 3 is true about birds. So D is the right answer. Question number 50. Mesosphere is in between which of the following layers of the atmosphere? So what is a mesosphere? Mesosphere is a part of atmosphere. Atmosphere is a blanket of earth which surrounds the earth. In mesosphere, the meteors which comes from space burns here and cannot reach earth due to friction. So mesosphere is present between stratosphere and thermosphere. So C, stratosphere and thermosphere is the right answer. Thank you and have a wonderful day.